Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since we've done any kind of a video besides the in-store videos I've done. I decided to do a little road trip in the Orange County area just to see if there's anything out that way, and it's the same as here. Um, Things are pouring out very slowly. So, no further ado, I do have an unboxing that I want to share with you guys. It's the J case. I know a lot of people on other channels have already found the J cars, but I haven't had a chance to go really deep diving Hot Wheel hunting. Um, but the chances I do, I don't seem to find the cars that I'm looking for. So I have a unboxing the J case from A&J Toys. If you guys want to get your own box case of Hot Wheels or any kind of premiums or any kinds of box sets or any kind of um, car culture or anything like that, AJ and Toys has it. If those of you that want to wait or go through the hassle of scalpers and getting up in the morning and waste your gas, because since the gas is going to be like $6-7 a gallon, you can just order it online through AJ and Toys, and you can get everything you want at a reasonable price too. The prices are good. So, no further ado, let's open up the case and see what's inside. Boom, boom. Now, those of you guys are having trouble finding certain castings, I know my buddies, they watch this channel, and certain people I've heard in the comments down below that are looking for certain things. You know, I don't have no problem helping other collectors out there. So if you guys are looking for certain cars, hit me up. Email me. Let me know in the comments what cars you're looking for. And then maybe we can, who knows, trade, or I'll just send them to you. Whichever. But let's see what's in this case. It's the J case. Okay, let's see. Don't want to make this video too long because then don't want to bore you guys after a while. Anyways, the first three cars, let's see what we have here. See, we got the Mattel Dreamobile, the Heavy Hitcher, and the Tortoise Shell. It's probably from the last cases. First three cars are off the bat. And then let's see what else we have here. We got the Lancia in the black. Now the first version of this was white. Now we have it in black with yellow rims. It's really nice. I like that one. That new for 2021. So we'll put this here to the side. Then we have the Blade Raider, just like from the last case. And then we have another Moon Eyes Bone Shaker, which is really cool. I have extras of those too, by the way. Then we have the BMW M3 GT2 in white from the last case. Then we have a custom Ford Bronco that was in the last case as well. It's very awesome. And then we have a new 94 Audi Avant in blue, new for 2021, but this was in the last case as well. So that goes right over here, right over here. And then we have the Batmobile in chrome. This is cool, with red saw blade rims, it looks like. Yeah, red temples on the top and down the hood. pretty cool. I like that one. Then we have the 70 Chevelle Camaro. That one's cool. I've been looking for this one in the stores. I have not been able to find it. I have the now, but this is the then. So I'm glad I came across that one. Then another Surf and School Bus, or yeah, the Surf and School Bus in blue. Same as the last case. The next three, yes, I've been looking for this one too. The 71 Dawson's 510. It's funny because I found this one here on the last case, on the K case, as a super, and I didn't get a regular mainline. Well, now I have one because I do have the super on this one, which is awesome. And then we have another, looks like a city bus, which is kind of cool looking. We have another Honda Civic Si in black. That's from the last case as well. And we have another 96 Pontiac GTO in blue. But this one was also from the last case. I got another bus. That's number 2 already. This is a nice color. It's like a cream off-white color. Tune Mustang. Now this car looks better in this color. I don't know why. It makes it look so much different. And I like it in this color. That's so awesome. I'm going to keep this one. Only because of that color. It's funny how certain colors make castings look so different. Oh, here's another turtle shell. That's pretty cool. Kids would love that one. And then we have another Driftinator. Which is awesome as well. Awesome, awesome. And another Porsche 935. Try not to get the glare so you guys can see the cars. Next three. We have a 2016 Ford GT Race. That's from the last case. And another 17 Ford GT, also from the last case. And this has been around so many times. Carbonator. Those of you that want to open up your soda pop bottles, well, here's a bottle opener for you. Came in so many different kinds of variations. And then we have the clip rod. Those of you that have money to put in there and carry around with you. It's a good pocket car with your cash. It's a money clip. Pretty awesome. And then we have the regular treasure hunt Chrysler Pacifica. So I got the regular treasure hunt in this case, which is cool. And then we got another 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug, which was in the last case. And then we have a Jaguar XESV Project 8 in blacked out, which is awesome. Now I've seen this one in the stores, but I didn't bother picking it up, only because of the fact that I know I was going to get this case in. So like I said before, I don't look for the mainline cars when I go to the stores. Basically what I'm looking for when I go to Target, when I do look in the mainline cars, is the red editions. I look for the red editions, and I look for the Zamax at Walmart's. So if you see me looking at those in stores when I'm doing my peg hunting, the only thing I'm looking for is the Zamax and the red editions. So those of you that think, well, how come he didn't pick up that? That was a cool car. He missed that one. He missed that. Well, now you know why. Because there's no sense of me buying the main line when I'm getting the cases. This is from the last case, by the way. Because then I have too many cars. And then we have another Volkswagen tuned. Oh, cool. I have not seen this one hanging at all. But I'm glad I have it because it's the Moon Eyes motorcycle. That's awesome. And we have the nice 69 Copel Camaro and the Falcon delivery. This is awesome. Nice casting. Very nice. The last three for the top row, we got another Lethal Diesel. I've seen people like on I've seen it on Mustang Hunter videos that people he was showing one of these and someone customized it and it looked really, really cool. I mean, it changed the whole car up to be really, really cool. And I got another Lancia in black. Another Lancia, and I got the Porsche 356 Outlaw. The regular mainline, but it's also awesome to have. Really cool. Love it. Love it. I love it a lot. Glad I got it. Okay, we're halfway through the case, guys. Halfway through the case. Halfway through the case. Alright, let's see what I have. Okay, another Formula Air Solar. Formula Solar. From the last case. I'll move these over here. Gotta make room. Gotta make room. Gotta make room. We gotta make room. Okay. And we got another Mercedes in black. That's from the last case. And we have a 87 Dodge. And the Hot Wheels delivery. Which is pretty cool. I don't think I have one of these. Still cool. And we got a 59 or 69 Chevelle Donut Drifter and another one. My Lord. Lord have mercy. I just got my wife just brought in another case of Hot Wheels. It's probably the K case. So there's going to be another video coming. So Donut Drifter and head gasket. So we got another case coming. Another video coming with the cases. This is from the last case. I'm showing you all the cars that come out of this case, even though you guys seen them already, but it's good to see them. Now here's what I was waiting for. Wow, the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe in purple. I've seen this in other channels, and this one is off the hook. This is nice. This is nice. Man. I can't wait till this is a super treasure hunt. This one's nice. I like that color. Love it, love it, love it. And this is also another one I've been waiting for. 20 Toyota GR Supra in white. Now this car, since it's such a new casting and new for Toyota, this one, which is the first color for 2021, white, I bet you will never see this hanging in the pegs, because this is a very popular casting. I'm glad I got it. Hoping I have extra. It's my first time getting it, and I'm glad I got it. Another school bus. Those of you that want to see the bus. The bus. Then we got another Saved by the Bell. Doesn't that remind you of Saved by the Bell? That's what Mustang Hunter and King Nut was telling me on their channels. They were saying this looked like Saved by the Bell, and you know what? These are the colors from the 80s, so it does remind you of Saved by the Bell. It's funny. Love the casting, but don't like the colors. There's another Batman in chrome. And here's a 17 Ford F-150 Raptor in gray and black. Cool truck. I don't really collect a lot of trucks, but if it comes in my case, I will keep them. Here's another Donut Drifter. Now I don't know if you guys heard, but there's a Donut Drifter set. Comes in like a pink box. Those of you that know more about that set, comment down below and let me know what's going on. Is that a set that's real? Or is that a set that's going to come out in stores? Or is that a set that's going to be exclusive from somewhere? Now, I don't know nothing about it. I saw it on YouTube, on some other channel, saying these have a bunch of these in a pink box set. Those of you who know more about it, let me know down below. Here's a Nissan Skyline in yellow. It's funny about this car. This car is the first time it's been in the main line. It first got debuted. It first came to Hot Wheels as car culture, and it was a premium before it was a main line. But glad to see it at the main line. Going to keep it there. And we have a Hot Wheeler. That's from the last case. And Rocket Oil Special. Another M3 GT2. And another 67 Dodge. Okay. And we have a Driftinator. Another one of those. And we got another Porsche 935 with the blue hood. Love these Porsches. And we have another Mad Manga. Now, I think it's King Nut's video. Someone customized this car, and when I saw it, it was off the hook. Now I go, man, that car can be a special edition if Mattel wanted to put it out, because when they customized this, if you haven't seen it, you can check out King Nut channel and see the custom version of this, and it makes you look at this car as a different way. It's really cool, really cool. So if you haven't seen it, go to King Nut's channel and watch that. Okay, another 69 Chevelle in red. We know about that. Okay, we got a Surf and Turf. That was in the last case. And we got another Mad Manga. And another Rocket Oil Special. I'm gonna spend too much time. Another Carbonator. Yeah. And we have a Surf's Up. Surf's Up! That was on our last case. By Team Hot Wheels. And we have another Bot Wheels. So in the last case, got an extra Moon Eyes motorcycle there. Or actually it's because a Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels edition. So it's Ducati special. With the Moon Eyes deco. And I got another Ford GT. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. Here we go. 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 in white. Part of the let's see, what is this one? J Imports. So this is 5 of 10, so there's 5 more of these. 5 more. And I have an extra Supra. But this one's going to go to my buddy. My buddy has been looking for these. Look at the front. Man, the detail on the front is cool. Hope I get another one so I could do a montage on that one. Another Batman chrome with the red stripes on the top. Yeah, this one's gonna go for David. David, this is gonna be part of your stash that I have over here for you. I found a couple things that you're looking for, and just gonna add to it. And whenever you're ready, you can come pick it up. I even found you the Nissan Premium Hot Wheels set. Got lucky on finding that one. Here's another Honda Civic Si. I know you like this one because you did a photo shoot on this one on his blue, but now here it is in black. So this is going to go to you too, buddy. And guess what? There's another Mazda Savannah RX-7, and this is going to go on your pile as well. Look at that detail on the back. These cars will be hard to find. You're not going to be able to find these hanging on the hooks. I guarantee you. These cars will be hard to find. So, this is going to be part of your stash, David. David. You got some cars over here. Yes. Okay, so, and I'm still looking for more. And that was it for the J case. So we end up with a regular treasure hunt and a couple of good cool castings I did not have. This is the J case. My wife just brought in the K case. So stay tuned for that one. I want to be doing that unboxing. So by the time you see this video, that video should be done and should be uploaded as well. So that's it for the J case. I know if you guys out there have found most of these in the stores, that's awesome. Congrats. I have not been able to find anything in my area, as you can tell in prior videos. And don't forget, we're at 205 subscribers. And there's 94% of you guys that are watching this channel but not subscribing. So the 94% of you guys that are out there watching this video, subscribe. It's free. Don't cost nothing, so why not? The only thing you're gonna gain from it is probably drawings and giveaways and stuff like that I do. I'm trying to do my first giveaway, and so when I get to 250 subscribers, there'll be a giveaway be going on. And if you guys want to know what that is, it's the first video on this channel. When you first subscribe, hit the ring the bell, subscribe, hit a like, give it a like. It tells you lets YouTube know that you guys like this video, and it'll be broadcast throughout everywhere. So hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and I want to wish everyone well, and God bless everybody, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.